Hey there, home cooks! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Culinary Adventures. Ready to master the art of the perfect Sunday roast in just 5 minutes? Let's dive right in and make this a meal to remember. First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. This high initial temperature will help to sear the meat and lock in those delicious juices. While that's heating up, grab a beautiful cut of beef. Think rib roast or sirloin. These cuts are perfect for a succulent and flavorful roast. Season it generously with salt, pepper, and a bit of garlic powder. Don't be shy, this is where the magic starts. The seasoning will create a flavorful crust that enhances the taste of the meat. Next, sear your beef in a hot skillet with some olive oil. This step is crucial for developing a rich, caramelized exterior. This locks in all those delicious juices, ensuring that your roast remains moist and tender. You're looking for a nice golden brown crust on all sides, about 3 minutes per side. This will add a depth of flavor that's simply irresistible. Once seared, move it to a roasting pan. Now, let's talk veggies. They're not just a side dish, they're an integral part of this meal. Peel and chop some carrots, potatoes, and onions. These vegetables will soak up the flavors of the beef and become wonderfully tender and caramelized. Toss them in olive oil, salt, and pepper. This simple seasoning will enhance their natural sweetness and complement the beef perfectly. Scatter these around your beef in the roasting pan. This way they'll cook evenly and absorb all the delicious juices from the meat. Pop this whole masterpiece into the oven. The initial high heat will give the beef a beautiful crust. Roast for about 15 minutes at 425 degrees, then lower the heat to 350 degrees, and continue roasting. This gradual reduction in temperature ensures even cooking. For medium rare, aim for about 20 minutes per pound. Use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature. It should read 135 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare. While that's cooking, let's whip up a simple gravy. A good gravy can elevate your roast to the next level. In the same skillet you used for searing, add a couple of tablespoons of butter. This will form the base of your gravy. Once melted, whisk in some flour to make a roux. This mixture will thicken your gravy and give it a rich, velvety texture. Slowly whisk in beef broth until you get a smooth, rich gravy. The broth will add depth and complexity to the flavor. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Feel free to add a splash of red wine or a dash of Worcestershire sauce for an extra kick. Once your roast reaches the desired doneness, take it out and let it rest. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat. Tent it with foil and let it sit for about 15 minutes. This step is crucial. It ensures all those juices stay inside the meat, making it incredibly tender. This step is crucial. It ensures all those juices stay inside the meat. Patience here pays off with a juicier, more flavorful roast. Now carve that beautiful roast into thick, juicy slices. Use a sharp knife to make clean cuts and showcase the perfectly cooked meat. Serve it up with those roasted veggies and a generous drizzle of your homemade gravy. The combination of flavors and textures is simply divine. And there you have it, folks, an incredibly delicious Sunday roast, cooked to perfection. This meal is sure to impress your family and friends. If you found this guide helpful, hit the subscribe button and join me for more cooking tips and tricks every week. Your support means the world to me. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. Remember, the best meals are made with love and shared with those you care about.